Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while but it's fun. It's your girl Max. I'm back. And today we are doing this pretty little halo eye with like browns and purples. I stuffed up in the beginning because I thought I was doing green, and you know what? Green just ain't my color. So we pivoted. We are great. Wonderful. We are literally just going to be playing with this eyeshadow palette I've had for like ever, but I've like never used. Like I've used it a couple times but never on me, and like never only it. As you can see, I have used it quite a bit. It's broken and it's dying and life, but this is the palette we're going to be using to do this to my face. It is the H&M eyeshadow palette. It's got, what does it say? It's got 32 colors. My sister got it for me when I was in, I think, grade 10 or grade 11. So yeah, it's been a while. It's probably expired. Yep, it says chuck it after 18 months. It's been a couple of years. But that's fine. It's okay. But yeah, we're going to be using this. Do a little eye makeup. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, hit the notification bell so you can get all the info as to what I do when I do it. Go follow me on Instagram because I think I post pretty okay pictures and I think maybe you might like them too. We'll find out. But yeah, this is me. So I've already done my face, my eyebrows, all that lovely stuff, lips too. We're being natural-ish. And we're just gonna play with this random H&M eyeshadow palette I have. Yep, H&M, it is H&M, pretty sure. Yeah, it's got the ingredients and all that stuff. I've had it since like high school, and I've been out of high school for like 5 years. It's just not the right thing, but it's okay, it's okay. I'll start here with my stay all day 16-hour essence, all that thing, and welcome to my bathroom. Yeah, the light in my bedroom was just not loving me, so we moved. Yeah, joy, nice. Oh, let's look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually I'm the worst placer of stuff like this. That's why I think I prefer to just sort of use my brown one. But now when you want colors to sort of pop, definitely need a light one. Which is a bit sad, but you know, it is what it is, it would seem. Without a little bit. Alright, I think that's good enough as far as I'm concerned. I'm gonna take this with fluffy but flat brush, and we're going to, gee, Matt, what are we going to do? Take this random like lighty green color, and we're gonna just pop it there in the crease, and we'll probably see what happens thereafter. Because as y'all already know, a bitch don't know what she doing ever. We'll just, you know. Oh, this is shimmery. It's fine, we'll just go with it. Go with it. You know, commit. Start shit. Gotta commit. Wait, Dick. That's actually a lot of color that I did not expect. Different but the same. Maybe I need to pack it on and not blend it. It's just, you know, good. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna tap it in there and hope for a better color payoff than I have been getting. I'm feeling very disrespected right now about the green. We are, because I think I need to fix whatever frig I've put on my face. We're just gonna be good. These are the only two matte colors, by the way. I'm gonna take that brown. Because you know when you make mistakes, you gotta fix them somehow, some way. Okay, so that's how much I put on the brush. And like nothing's happening. Shoot. This is a really bad brown. And I'm gonna have tons of fallout here too. I can just see it coming. But I mean, at least things are happening. Maybe it was just I need to get past the top layer. Something. Do I know what I'm doing? Nah, actually. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to take this eye crayon from Beauty Treats. It's white. And we're gonna sort of create a little bit of a halo because I don't know what I'm doing. And that's okay, I think. I know what you're thinking, Mass. Why would you pick green? I don't know. We're gonna go in with, yeah, we're gonna go in this one and then this one. We'll go here, 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 and maybe that one like right on top. I take it back. I take it back. Oh my god. We're not going with that dark purple. It is not nice. We are going in with the light purple. Now this pink. Yeah, I think this wouldn't have been too bad had I not like gone and done the green. Maybe if I blend orange on top of the green, I can get it to go away. For our shimmery stuff, we're just gonna go right there. I can't stand the green right there, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna try and get rid of that green. But concealing over it. Okay. Maybe I just use my finger actually. So we did that, and now we need to replace it. And I think we'll do a very light dusting of this pink. Yeah? Cool. Okay. We are purple. We're gonna take that brown and we're gonna smoke the bottom lash line with it, because I just didn't feel like that colors are bright enough. Or strong enough. I don't know. We have done. Now, question is it worth it to try and do it again? We're going to use these. They're the Eyelure Cheryl lashes. Let me just pick up the whole mirror. Yeah, this is the vibe. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did not like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. Also, just, leave me some information down in the comments, whether you liked it, whether you didn't, what you'd like me to try, videos you think I should jump onto. I'm here to be educated, to like a degree and stuff. But you can find the last video, newest video, somewhere on the screen, as long as a recommended one, and my subscribe button. So definitely hit that thing, and hit the bell, get the notifications. I don't know how they work, but apparently they do, and this is something I've seen everyone else say, so I was like, why not?